to replace your faulty ceiling pull cord switch for a brand new one. The only tools you're going to need for this is a cross-headed screwdriver and then a small flat-headed screwdriver, and in my case the world's oldest step. Firstly, we need to make sure that we find the fuse box and isolate the electric to this switch. Once you've done that, you just need to take off the old one. Once you've got the cover off, you'll see inside you've got the earth that goes to the ceiling part. We're not going to replace that, there's nothing wrong with that. Then the blue comes into this terminal and the brown to the opposite one. It's just a single switch, so this is a dead easy setup. We're going to undo those now. Once that's off, we now just need to put the new one on, replacing the wires in the same place that we got the other ones from. So just to show you now, we've got the blue coming into the terminal and then the live goes to the other one, opposite side of the switch. Once you've done that, it's just a case of doing up the cross-headed screws that hold this all in place. Now I've been downstairs, turned the power back on the fuse box, and hey presto, it's working. I hope this has helped you. It's not my normal type of video. I'm normally working on vacuum cleaners, but I do hope this has helped, and please subscribe to my channel because you never know when you will need me again.